So I'm pretty excited about this because I think we figured out a way to make AI create writing that sounds a lot more like you than at least I've ever seen before. And I mean, I run like a Lex, which is an AI writing company. And until now, we've been really focused on just like giving feedback, giving advice, giving ideas, helping with research, all that kind of stuff, because I just haven't thought that AI could sound like me. And recently, Nathan Barry reached out to me. He said, would you be interested in doing an integration with Kit where you could train on people's newsletters? And I thought, that's an interesting idea. I don't know. And I thought, why not? Let's do it. Let's try it. So we got into it. And here's how it works. The technique that we're using, as far as I know, nobody else does. Basically, we pull in all your newsletters after you connect with Kit and we analyze for structure. We analyze for tone, word choice, and basically we're asking the AI to look for any identifiable patterns. And then this is the crucial thing. We ask AI to generate a set of instructions that some like a new writer to the team, hypothetically could, if they followed those instructions, they would consistently be able to reproduce the same tone, the same structure that you typically use. And the result, is pretty good. I'm very happy with it. Nathan Barry liked it, and I'm really interested in it because I think for a lot of different types of newsletters, it just helps a lot to be able to have a really quick first draft. And here I'll show it to you kind of in action. I've got this outline of like a newsletter that I might write going out soon. You can see I've got my existing newsletters in Kit. Here's a whole bunch of examples that it pulled from. And so I will go to the chat, I'll hit generate a draft in my voice, and then basically it's pulling this information and then it's pulling from the huge prompt that we created with a whole bunch of examples and instructions. And it's doing just like a wildly good job with pitching my tone and kind of making this sound like our structure and looking like me. It's not 100%, like it's still just first draft territory, but I think for me, it's crossed the threshold now where it's become actually a useful tool to help me move a little bit faster and to give me some ideas. So I'm super excited about that. Another cool thing about it, you can actually go to our prompt builder, click on your prompt, and then you can see it. Like we're just giving it to you under the hood. So you can take this anywhere you want if you want to. And it's quite substantial. It has a lot of context of like previous examples from your newsletter, but then also these like patterns that it's telling it to look out for. So that's fun. Another thing we have is I'll create a new thread to show you these subject line generators. So we do the same thing, but like just for subject lines, and we're looking at stuff like open rates to kind of really understand what performs best with your audience. And then at the end, when you're done, you can click this and it'll send you to Kit and generate the draft just like this, so that you can hit send, which is really fun. So anyway, super excited about this. Excited to, take it further and get a lot of feedback and just hopefully continue to make it better and extend it. So let me know how it goes when you try it. Thanks.